In this video, I'm going to show you how to change letter spacing in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have some text, and then you want to select it like that. You want to go to Window up top, and then you want to hover over Text and click on Character. What this will do is it will pop up this new table over here, which you can basically use. And in this box, you'll be able to see Position and Transform, and you want to use this tracking over here, and you can just click on where you can see this VA. So click on it, drag it to the right or to the left, and this is basically going to change your letter spacing inside your words, your text, whatever you are doing. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Of course, you could play with this over here as well, which this tool is called the horizontal scale, if that's something you want to achieve, but this one is generally the one you are likely looking for. So that's how to do it. You could also click on this arrow up or arrow down, or choose the percentages in here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.